So what I have here is one of the coolest devices I've come across. Now these are smart glasses powered by AI technology, which allows you to shoot using cameras here for video or object recognition. So you can see here it basically can connect up to the Wi-Fi, has touch operations, which is awesome. It's connected to a large language model and has a pretty cool camera. So I'm pretty excited to open this up and show you guys what's inside. So we can open the box around the side. Let's just find the best way to kind of open it right here. And you can see this is what the packaging looks like. So already it is very, very high quality. And you can see that this is the box that the glasses come in. And this are the cords right here. So we'll open that later. So you can see this is the box. I love the sort of, this is almost like a soft fabric, almost leather skin type look. And this here has a magnet to open up where the glasses are kept. And you can see inside here, these are the glasses just like this. Now the box has this really cool sort of flexing sort of thing right here. So you can just kind of like, if you want to, you can kind of like flatten this down, but it provides a really nice holder for the glasses to be put inside. Now the glasses are pretty heavy duty here. You can see these are the frames and you've got the camera and sensors on the side. Now this is what it looks like opened up, and you can just basically place it on your head just like this. So very, very, very cool. I really, really like the frame here. You've got the buttons that you can sort of press on either side, and that will turn on the actual glasses. So that is what the glasses look like here. Now this is the other sort of box. So we're gonna see what's in here. Now you've got the lenses, which is really nice. So you've basically got clear ones, or if you want to be out in the sun, these are sort of a darker sort of lens caps that we can place on the side, just like that. And you've got a bit of a carrying case, or no, this is the actual like lens covering, and so that you can kind of like basically a lens cloth to keep your glasses nice and clean. So turning on, we can sort of, I'm guessing, hold down one of these buttons to turn them on, and then from there you'll be able to explore what it's like to use the actual AI. So we've got basically these instruction manual here, and basically this will take you through most of the features. So you can download the app right here on the phone and you can pair it. And then this basically shows you for video shooting, video call, recording, and music playback. So right here, this is a very versatile glasses here and folds up really nicely. And I'm really excited to play with this a little bit more and have a look at how all these features work. So these are the AI smart glasses, and it is really exciting to have this piece of technology here.